Hey guys, another video on SOFI and Klarna. Yeah, SOFI moved like crazy Friday, I think because of the announcement of them, like something about the digital US dollar stablecoin or something like that. Doesn't matter to me. I don't really look too much, care too much about the news. Yeah, there was good news, good for the chart, good for the pump here. However, we need to change then, I think, the view here, because I was leaning on maybe a fifth wave and then moving into these fibs with this push now being so solid, with this increase in volume on Friday. I'm gonna have to change this a little bit and maybe then shift towards 1-2-1-2, then now 3-4-5-4-5, or yeah, accept this as a 3-wave move and a larger wave 1-2-3-4-5. I don't like 3-wave moves, so that's why maybe the 1-2-1-2 is better. Starting from here, this would be the second wave 1, second wave 2. Then like this, we have got respect on this level exactly, so maybe this is a bit correct to take it. I try to use the fibs to see if I'm thinking correctly. One, two, three, four, five. Inside this wave 3 looks complete now, and then we might maybe pull some fibs for this wave 4. Like this. So support then starts at 18.05. This can extend maybe locally, then 18.88 will be the next level. Okay, and then we will adjust this box with it. Also, then we have got this range here with the point of control just above this first fib, so that will also be a nice level to watch at 18.11. And then once this, of course, if we can get it, this 4-5 is complete, we will pull fibs from here to the top for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, if this is the right count and the right scenario, because of this 3-wave move here, it's not so clear. Okay, but this is the least we can do. If we don't see strength here, we will shift back into all of this being a wave 1 and then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or something. We'll see. Even in that case, I would lean and hope for one more high locally, but we'll see. Okay, the more data we get, the more it will be helpful. On the weekly, it's looking good though. We have had bullish divergence here. We took the low with a higher wick here on the RSI, and then it's going very nicely. Matter of time, I think, that we push this high and then to this point of control, but yeah, the structure locally is a bit tricky. I'm trying my best. We need more data to help with it. Klarna has moved down a bit as well. Now also tricky because of, again, here as well, a 3-wave move instead of a 5-wave move, and then the move here also has an 886 hit, and then the move up has a lot of overlap. How do you really label this? How do you really work with 3-wave moves? It's tricky. We might even expect overlap now with this leg down and then make one more high, so not gonna be easy. I wanted to reach this box, would help with this 1-2 setup and then the target box. If it was respected on the exact level, I would know okay, people are using and looking at the same levels. Let me see if I did take this correctly exactly. Yeah, I did, so we missed out on that, sadly. Might maybe recover later today, tomorrow. I've got this trend line here still. If we break it, the move down here also looks a bit like a 5-wave move, so could be that we are in for a little bit of a move to the downside. Okay, even if we get a bounce, maybe one more leg to the downside. I've got this green line still here, indicating this previous high here of this whole range. Once again, this is a large range. Point of control is all the way down here. Not too relevant now, but what I can do is take fibs from this low here to this high. Okay, this is the least that we can do. And the first fib is at 17.13 together with this range that we have here with its point of control at the same level, so I'm not going to add it. I could even take it maybe from this low instead of this low, but it doesn't really matter, maybe a few cents, so not gonna play too much with that. And then should we really show weakness here and move lower, we can add the point of control of this range and we'll see it like that. I'll add this line just to indicate, look at this point, if we move down to here, we will make overlap with this potential wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what we ideally avoid. And then, yeah, the 618 is also what we want to avoid. We still have room, okay? Not too much of a problem that we missed out on this. We just really barely missed out on it, so it's okay. But looking at the structure with these two ranges here, and this being the most aggressive move, maybe it's nicer to get like 2 more pushes here and then really start this correction, okay? From this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's super messy, but I hope you understand the idea. To help, let me label it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with this third wave. Ideally we still push, and ideally this, if we go and correct this more, will be an internal correction here inside this wave 3 still. And with that, let's try to reach this box still. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.